Hey everyone, I just got this cable today. I just want to configure my switches. I just plugged the cable. It shows us something. Let's give this here. I just spent like 2 hours almost to fix this issue. How to solve. So I just come up here, action, add legacy, next, manual, and here I just add a compo, next, and then I just add a standard. Finish. It comes up here. But still this thing is uninstalled. So I just go to control panel, device and printer, and I just see this unspecific device here. So I just right click and troubleshoot. So I just type my admin password since I just logged into regular account, and this thing comes up. So I just click apply, and then I will get this here. So I have to click on this setting, not that setting, sorry. So view and change setting. So here I just see like always, and I say yes. Recommend save. Next, now it's search on the internet. You have to connect the computer to the internet. Since mine is connected, and I will wait for a few minutes and see what's the update. As you see it here, after a few minutes I just got this thing, like this driver is installed. So I just close this thing, and now I just go to device manager, and I just see under the COM port, I just see the COM port, USB COM port. So let me check, can I connect to my device or not. So I just open PuTTY serial, and as you see it here is a COM port. I just type COM port here. See, I can log in. Hope you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like. Thank you.